Fucking hell, I fuck it up, yeah.
Okay, I'm back. I know it's been a long time since I wrote my last verse or I wrote my last line. Last year I found E-Man, I just lost my mind, but I found what was mine. Now I'm here with a new book of rhyme for you people, new stuff to listen to. Once you get bitten, dude, I know you'll be smitten through the things that I've written you. All of it spitting true. Give me a mic and I'll show you Great Britain through the eyes of a man who does not believe the people that we have chosen to lead can lead us not down into temptation. Deliver us from the evils that are waiting, bring us salvation. That's what I perceive. I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve. So long have I grieved, now I've returned from my leave, cause I've still got so much to achieve.
I ain't egotistic, but I wanna know when I had to go and leave my home. Did you people miss it? Did you miss this artistic, gifted, sadistic, twisted misfit not being listed on your sites? It's like I was restricted, evicted from the pages that David had lifted. I made it exist if I never came along to post my songs. You couldn't have saved it for WizKids hacking it. Every day putting my back in it. I never slept, I just kept putting the track in it. On the sites for solo, on the sites for swerve. No matter what time my mind will bite the burst, say the B.I.G.B. After soaring tones, I fill my mouth with pills and I call the phones in the daylight, even in the darkness too. And we get us all together and start a creep. We're back with the force, back